Hey guys, welcome back to the second studio vlog on the channel. I wanted to open this vlog with a nice little speed paint of one of my most recent sticker sheets because I was able to get a lot of footage for the creation process. I actually took a slightly different design approach this time and I'm really happy with how it came out. I went for a much more simplified and cozy aesthetic and I'm in love. The marker brush in Procreate is actually one of my favorites, which is why you'll actually see me use this for a lot of different stuff that I then end up putting on the shop. For this video, I recorded almost every single step of the process for creating the sticker sheets, so my phone had to go through a lot of time lapses. Pretty much the only step that I'm not showing is the sketching part because my sketches are super loose, super messy, and not that pretty looking. Now I'm doing coloring, which I'm sure in a lot of speed paints is probably people's most favorite part. I know it's my favorite part because usually it means that I am almost done. We have our final look at all the cats, and looking back I realized I forgot to color one of the cats, which I fixed later on. Here's a little clip of the cutting with a beautiful symphony of the sounds that the cutting machine makes. And this is what the sticker sheets turn out like. This design is also part of my larger sticker sheet format because I had a lot of cats that I wanted to fit on here, so the sheet had to be bigger. And here's just a little close-up so you can see all the details. They're also glossy instead of sparkly because I felt that that would look better and not obstruct the design as much. I also love this sheet so much I decided to change out the stickers on my AirPods case to these ones. Okay, so I actually wanted to include some footage of how I attended my very first Pokemon card game regional. It was very conveniently happening in LA this time around, so it felt like a waste not to go.
Ash, I'm trying to get footage.
The venue was massive with over 2,000 people in attendance. I got to see the final stage and it was so much more exciting to see these final matches live with other people being super hyped, as it really gets you going with excitement as well. There was definitely not a lot of people left at the venue by the end of the event. I'll be honest, my record was not great since I did everything in my power not to practice for it, but at least I got some goodies to remember the event, specifically a playmat with a walking link and a special stamped card that I'm most likely never going to use in actual gameplay. I'm really excited to say that I have finally added another Phoebe sticker to the lineup. I made little cherry cats because inspiration struck me for that combo in particular. They look a little sad in front of a very bright screen, but you're about to see them in a much better lighting. For the longest time, I've just been tossing in these fish cat freebies, but it was long overdue for a brand new design to diversify the selection a little bit. I added a starry hollow to the cherry cats because I thought it would fit with the theme and color scheme, and I love these. They will definitely be joining future orders that I pack. Although I should also keep adding other designs in the future. Next, I wanted to show another exciting thing, which is my new thank you cards. As small and unimportant of a thing this may be, I honestly feel like these new cards have transformed the way my packages now look. This is the new one compared to the old one, which was also horizontal, and the design definitely looks outdated at this point. The new ones are definitely more tricky to make because instead of cutting just a simple rectangle, the new ones need cutting around the ears to make that cat head shape. So I need to figure out an efficient way to produce these for the future for sure. I also want to show the difference that these make when packing the orders. The horizontal card gets covered by all the stickers, so although the package still looks cute, it's just not the look. For the new ones, I will definitely be putting the sticker sheets behind the card, otherwise they block the cat's face, and that's a no-no for the pretty look. Smaller individual stickers can still be put in front of the card without obstructing the cute face that will greet the customer when they unbox the package. Meanwhile, the horizontal one just frankly doesn't work no matter how you spin it. I mean, just peep the difference. Now let's pack some orders. I have an Etsy order and 2 TikTok shop orders to pack today. We have a combo of my male-themed stickers, the tired teacher sticker, and the pink gamer cat sticker sheet. I also get to send out the brand new freebie sticker with some of these orders. Honestly, I gave the teacher one the original freebie simply because they match the color more. Now let's pack these orders! I'm now going to shut up and let you enjoy some packing ASMR. I take every opportunity to show off my custom stamp because I love it and I think it makes the boring envelopes look so much more exciting. Shout out to Sayabel Stamps on Etsy for my custom stamp. I love how much these thank you cards transform the look of the packed orders. I'm so beyond happy I changed them out. And I really hope the customers will be happy to be greeted by these cute faces. The last package was also hella thick because of the total of 9 sticker sheets, so the envelopes feels very puffy. Now we're sending them off to the customers. Take a look at my shop Aigul Universe on Etsy and TikTok shop. Links will be provided in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of more content. See you later!